In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through in Smartsheet. Strike through is a really handy way to show that something is complete, outdated, or no longer needed without actually deleting it from your sheet. It keeps your data visible, but clearly marked as crossed out so your team can still reference it later. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet project sheet. Make sure you're signed into your account and that you have the sheet open in grid view so you can see all of your rows and columns laid out like a spreadsheet. If you're following along with your own data, just open the sheet where you want to apply the strike-through formatting. Next, click into the cell that you want to work with. In the example you're seeing on screen, that's the cell with the value 5,000. You can click once to select the cell or double-click if you also want to edit the value. The important thing is that the cell is highlighted so Smartsheet knows that's where you want to apply the formatting. With that cell selected, look toward the top of the Smartsheet window for the formatting toolbar. This is the same area where you'd normally change font size, alignment, or text color. In that toolbar, locate the formatting options for text. You'll see icons for bold, italics, underline, and also the strike-through icon. It usually looks like an S with a line through the middle. Click that icon once, and you'll see the value in the cell now appears with a line running through it. That's your strike-through applied. You can repeat this same process for any other cell. For example, click on the cell that contains 2,000 to select it. Again, make sure that single cell is highlighted so you don't accidentally format the wrong area. Once it's selected, go back to the same formatting toolbar and click the strike-through icon. The text in that second cell will now also appear crossed out. If you ever change your mind, you can remove strike-through just as easily. Select the cell again and click the strike-through icon a second time to toggle it off. The text will return to normal without the line through it, but your value will stay exactly the same. Using strike-through this way is a simple visual tool to keep your Smartsheet organized. You can quickly mark finished items, canceled amounts, or superseded entries, while still preserving a clear history of what was there before.